Good morning. This is GV Nagesh. In this class, we had studied about nanomaterials. Here, we are studying about the preparation of nanomaterials by using Sol-Gel auto combustion method. We have to know that there are the different types of methods to prepare or to fabricate this nanomaterial. The conventional method, that is nothing but solid state method, which is used for synthesization of the nanomaterial, which gets a difficult and we have a long process. To overcome the some difficulty and all this drawback, we are using the Sol-Gel auto combustion method to synthesize the nanomaterials. Here, the Sol-Gel auto combustion method is nothing but a chemical wet process which is used to synthesize a fine nanomaterial. This metal nitrates or the elements are mixed in water and gives rise a homogeneous aqueous solution which is known as Sol-Gel. This Sol acts as a preserver of combined network and forms a gel. This gel gets automatically burned and finally we get a desired nanomaterial. This method will be clearly we observe the process of this Sol-Gel method from this. Here we consider the elements like nitrates which are weighted in a desired stoichiometry process, and this composition was dissolved in a minimum amount of a distilled deionized water according to molecular weight. Then we stir this solution within 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes, this composition was added with a citric acid. The citric acid is nothing but a catalytic if you use any ammonia or water maybe. So here we using in this process are using citric acid. Was added to this nitric solution, and this complete solution is kept in a continuous stirring magnetic stirrer, and we heat this solution at 60 degrees continuously 1 hour. Then we increase the temperature. Then we observe that the water molecules in the solution were evaporated and it will transform into slowly transforms into a viscous gel. Now this gel burns with a gloomy, a brown color flame, and finally we observe this gel will become combust and completely forms a brown ash powder within a minute. This is the process for formation of nanomaterial by using the Sol-Gel method. Now you see this process by using a diagram form. Now see here, from this diagram, here see we observe that here the solution, the nitrous solution can be considered into a jar, and we stir this jar up to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we add citric acid, then we add kept into a hot plate at 60 degrees. We increase the temperature, and we observe that this solution will be converted into a viscous gel, and this viscous gel will be burnt into a gloom. We have observed here that brown color glow, and after this, within a few minutes, we observe this a fine nano powder. This is the process to synthesize a nanomaterial by using a wet method. That is nothing but here we are using a solvent method. Now a simple flow diagram here. See here, flow chart. First of all, we choose a raw material as per stoichiometry. Then dissolve a minimum amount of water. Then this water and this solution will be heated up to 60 degrees for 1 hour at a hot plate by using a magnetic stirrer, continuous magnetic stirrer. After that, this mixer will be forms into a gel, and finally it will be compressed into a fine nano powder. This is a simple method to fabricate or to synthesize the nanomaterial. Okay, thank you.